Hello everybody, Moss here. Welcome to another edition of Sambashi Banashi. Today we're going to tour the northbound lane of the Tom Lantos tunnels, or the Devil's Slide tunnels as most people call them. This tunnel is 4,149 feet long. It was completed and open to road traffic on March 26, 2013. The big reason they built it is because the road along the cliff sides was prone to rocks and rock slides, like this one that closed Route 1 for 5 months back in '95. Although not as scenic as the coastal road, it's pretty spacious, and I don't mind it at all. I don't believe people who say it's haunted.